Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to permanently disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. It's very easy, but try not to skip any steps. But first off, when should you disable Windows Defender? Windows Defender is pretty useful, but sometimes it blocks third-party apps or the antivirus software is incompatible with it. However, if you install most antivirus software, it will automatically disable Windows Defender, so keep that in mind. There are two methods to disable it. The first method is disable real-time and tamper protection. So what you want to do is go into search, find Windows Security here. Now you have virus and threat protection. And you have virus threat protection settings. You go to manage, you want to click this off. It will ask you to confirm, you say OK. And then you have tamper protection, you also want to turn this off. And you close this. Now step 2, you want to open the registry editor. So registry editor here, it will ask you to confirm, you say yes. You want to navigate to this file path. I will put this in the video description here. And what you want to do is right click on Windows Defender, click New. You want to click DWORD 32-bit value. Now you want to name it Disable, Anti, Spyware. Hit enter, double click on it, hit the value to 1. Hit OK and save it and restart your computer. And now it should be permanently disable it. To re-enable it, you want to change its value back to 0 and turn on real-time and tamper protection. If this video helped you, leave a like. If it didn't help you, leave a comment and I will do my best to help you.